City Cambridge education system, where the brain, body and spirit develop.
Please like, subscribe, and share our channel, City Cambridge Education System, for the latest updates and news.
Hello Fatma. Fatma, now find where is the pen picture? Pen? Yes. Now what is the beginning sound of pen? Pen? Pen. Very good. Halima, now find where is the jug picture? Jug picture. Very good. Now tell me what is the beginning sound of jug? Jug. What is the beginning sound of jug? Jug. Jug. J sound. Very good. Nisma, find out where is sun picture? Sun. Where is sun? Yes. Now tell me what is the beginning sound of sun? Where?
How are you? Okay, Anushka Zahra. Are you ready for the beginning sound activity?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, where is the picture of pencil? Where is the picture of pencil? Sit down and put the finger on the pencil. On the pencil, yes. Now, where is the pencil sound? P. Where is the P sound? Very nice. Now, stand up. Mushki Zahra, find out the sun picture. Find out the sun picture. Yes. Touch the sun picture. Touch. Yes. Now, where is the sound of sun? Where? Yes. Very nice, girl. Good girl. Should we start the beginning sound activity? Are you ready? Now, okay, Dikshika, find out the log picture. Log picture. And touch the log picture. Yes. Where is the L sound? Very nice. Now get up. Dikshika, now tell me where is the bat and ball picture. Yes. Now, where is the B sound? B. Yes, very nice. Good girl. Now let's find where is pen. Pen. Okay, so what is the beginning sound of pen? Pen. Good sound. Very good. How are you? Okay, so Myra, find out where is the picture of sun. Yes, now tell me what is the beginning sound of sun. Sun. Very good. Hello Aska. Aska, so find where is the log picture. Log picture. Very good. Now tell me what is the beginning sound of log. Sound. Hello Shiza. Shiza, find where is the red color. Sound. Sarah. Okay, so Sarah, now find where is the net picture. Net picture. Very good. Now what is the beginning sound of net? Net. Very good. How are you? Wow. Zainab, are you ready for beginning sound activity?
Yes.
Okay, find out the cup picture. Find out the cup picture. Very nice. Now, what is the beginning sound of cup? Very nice. It's a cup. It's a very good. Nuryoda. Good girl. Now, are you ready for beginning sound activity? Okay, find out the jug picture. Jug. Okay, what is the beginning sound of jug? Very nice. Now tell me.
Panjabi, now tell me where is the sun picture? Sun. Yes. Very good. Now what is the beginning sound of sun? Sun. Very good. Hello Kinjar. Okay, Kinjal, now tell me where is the red color picture? Yes, now what is the ringing sound of red color? Very good.
All the schools are same until you visit City Cambridge Education System. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel, City Cambridge Education System, for the latest updates and news.